So I want to show you a quick easy fix I did on my 2011 Dodge Caliber. I had a problem where the headlight, I'd drive down the road and I'd go over a bump and the headlight would go out, one or the other. It would go out and I'd have to pull over the side of the road, wiggle the wire that went to the headlight, and it would bring the headlight back on. But then I'd go drive, I might go 10 miles, I might go a mile, and the headlight would go out again, just from the vibration of the car going over bumps or whatever. So what I did, I don't have it now, but these are the headlight. This is similar to it. It's not exactly it. This is actually off the fuel tank. But the headlight socket looks a lot like this. And I would wiggle this and it would make the headlight come back on, but it intermittently the headlights would go off. So what I did is I went to the junkyard and I bought new sockets. Well, they weren't new, they were used. Replaced them, and it still did it. So I ended up, they sell these little packets. This is dielectric grease. It's actually, it's called bulb grease. Or you could buy a tube of it, of bulb grease. What you want to do is these little female sockets, you want to squeeze that bulb grease down into those electrical connections. And I did that with my Dodge Caliber, and I haven't had a problem with the headlights going out for years. So I just wanted to share that with you. Maybe it can help somebody. So if you like my video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Thank you.